Welcome back, guys. Today we have this Lexus ES 350 car came here for polish. Today we will be doing polish in this car. The car is a bit cleaned, and as we touch the body of the car, it is a bit smooth, but this is a little bit rough on the edges. So we will be using this RKB by Koshkemi to make the body smooth and remove all these small dots, paints and everything, every dust which is there on the body. We will remove using the RKB, and after that we will be using the heavy cut. I think the car is smooth. We will go with the heavy cut only on the surfaces where it's necessary, such as in this area we will be using heavy cut, and the other side such as the doors side we will be using M3. So after heavy cut we will be using M3. Heavy cut we will be using slightly heavy cut. We have removed the rubber plates. We will be polishing all the full body of this car. We will be using one layer of H9 and one layer of M3. So basically we will be covering this, we will be polishing with H9. We will which is a heavy cut. We will do it once, and after that we will be going with M3. So this is the product we will be using. This one is H9 heavy cut. We will be using for one round, and the next round we will be going with M3 to make it a finished look. And after that we will be finishing using the as usual P3 by Koshkemi, which gives us a micro cut and finish. So after that we will be, for now we are only using the clay bar to remove all the dirts and dust and some spots over here, such as the ashes or asphalt spots which we have here. Maybe here you can see a little bit spots over here. Clay bar right now. We have, as usual, we have Binay with us. Binay, say hi.
Hi, hello.
Okay, so Binay is using clay bar right now. He is covering the whole body, and he is using so that there are no rough surfaces. There are no rumble. Remove all the rumble, so the surface is a bit smoother. So any scratches left on the surfaces, we will be using H9 to remove it, and using M3 to make it a smooth finish. So after that we will check how the car looks. The car is already clean look, so we will be using less and less polish today, and we make sure that the car definitely looks good and the customers looks happy. Thank you so much, and see you. Okay, so we have already installed the tapes on the sides, and now we are using clay bar. Our guy over here, Hamish, say hi. Okay, so he is using clay bar on the surface of this car. This is the detailer you used in clay bar. Let me show you how to use this clay bar. So this is the surface. It is a bit rough. It is when you touch it you will feel a little bit sandy, but when you use clay bar it becomes smooth. So let me show you how it is done. You use some clay bar, but then and again you will use some clay bar and detailer, and we will use like this. Okay, after few seconds. Okay, so this is how we will use clay bar, and after that okay so after using the clay bar you will feel that this surface is a bit much smoother than the other surfaces. The surfaces will be a little rough. When you touch it you will feel a little bit sandy, but when you use the clay bar along with a detailer, you can use clay bar. Detailer makes it slippery, so you can rub the surfaces smoothly. Never use water, always use detailer. If you don't have any detailer, you can use a mixture of soap and water also. So as you can see, we have used the clay bar in the whole body, and all the body is smooth now. So this is how as you can see the difference. It is a bit smoother on the touch. We have also used we will be cleaning glasses also now. So after that we will use the polish. So this is how we use the clay bar, and now clay bar finished, we finishing the clay bar, and we will be going and now after finishing clay bar we'll go with H9 from Koshkemi. Okay, thank you. So we have completed the polishing of this car. As we have said earlier, we have done the clay. We have rubbed first clay bar on the surface of this car, on the body. We have rubbed. After that, we have used the H9 followed by P3, and this is the final product. How the car looks. You can see it's all shiny to the back. So right now we will be cleaning glasses and install the number plate, and after that it's ready to go. And this is how the final product looks like. And here as usual we have with us Bishwas. Bishwas, say hi. Okay, you won't say hi, same as previous. Okay, hello. Okay, and so this is the final product. I hope you all like it, and we will be cleaning the glasses, and after that the car is ready for delivery. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this video, and please share and subscribe.